Hey everybody, it's Andrew from Uplynk here, and I just want to show you what we do when we finish your home theater system. So this is called the Odyssey setup. That's with a diamond receiver, and what it's going to do is it's going to play a sound from each speaker, and this little microphone here is going to read the sound, and we actually place it kind of in different sitting positions throughout the room, and the speakers make a noise, and the receiver actually tunes each speaker so that they will actually fill the room with sound and be optimized for your sitting positions while you're watching something on your TV. So this is what it sounds like when you run the test. So there you go. So that will optimize the speakers for the environment that they're set up in. And we do this every time we set up home theater so you get great sound when you're watching movies and TV.